G'day folks, welcome back to another quick update. Today we're looking at, we've sold Mattel and American Express. We did a bullish scan on the weekend, and that was just one day of trade basically. And I'll go through the charts in a second why we sold, but just to and then review also the current month's sales we've had so far. So here are the two sales we did overnight, and these both came up on the bullish share scan on the weekend, this past weekend. So Mattel, we bought 279 units or stocks. That was equivalent to about 7,800 in Aussie dollars, and that was about, I do buy $5,000 lots whenever I buy US shares, 5,000 US that is, and that equated to about 7,800 Aussie dollars. Now the capital gains on that one only gained $85. That's still better than a kick in the teeth. A currency conversion there, we had a $41 hit to the return, so total return is $43.74. For American Express, we bought 15 units at 7,900 Aussie dollars. That's another $5,000 worth in US dollars. Capital gains was $235, $18 hit on the currency exchange, and that returned $217. So overall, basically in a day's trade for two stocks, we made $261. So first off with Mattel, according to the daily trend, it was bullish. Both the price and the CCI are above the moving averages, so it gives us a buy signal. So on the hourly, we came in quite late actually. Ideally, you want to get on the breakout of the two moving averages, but what I did here, I got in late and I bought it at 1817, which was the top of close of that candle there, 1817. Now the price retraced somewhat. The CCI retraced as well, but didn't quite break through the moving average range. It bounced, and eventually we sold out at 1837, which was when that CCI broke into that moving average range. They would have closed it out at the close of that candle there. And next we had the sale for American Express. Again, the daily chart showing bullish momentum in the last couple of days. And on the hourly chart where we bought on that little spike above the moving averages on both the CCI and the price, so at the close of that candle there. So we bought 15 units there at 334.76, held it. This one went a lot better for us, and we closed it out when that CCI there closed or came close to breaking into that moving average range. Now in this case, I probably pulled the trigger too early. You can see there it bounced and it went a bit higher, but that's okay. Take your profits and don't be too disappointed. And we closed it out at the price there at 345.01. So again, don't cry about that little gain. Take your profits where you can and make the most of your returns. So here are the current month's returns so far. We started trading or recording these on the 21st of September, and I'll keep a track of these and I'll start recording, giving you monthly updates. But these are all the trades we made since the 21st of September, about a month ago now, generating 3,600, and that's in Aussie dollars. And in terms of percentage wise, that equates to, let me get that right, that equates to 9.65% return in about a month. So imagine that annualized, you're doing quite well in your returns. So if you haven't already subscribed to the Patreon page, go to the links below and subscribe to the Patreon page for a minimal cost. You can view the weekly bullish shares we cover and start learning how to trade those shares. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and see you in the next update.